The originating summons was filed in December last year, but after a careful review, we noticed there are other political parties such as Accord Party, Action Alliance, APP, Zenith Party. They are also in breach of the Constitution. So it was on that basis we noticed, that breach we noticed. We now apply to join them. And that application for gender will be taken on the 24th of March 2026.
We had approached the courts in a bid to seek clarification and interpretation of some sections of the Constitution as it relates to regulation of political parties. And our intendment is just to contribute in enriching and expanding our electoral jurisprudence.
We should allow political parties to grow, and we should allow opposition to breathe. So if any cunning way, any method of erasing all opposition parties must be fought with every power that we have.
There's something behind the scene, but we won't allow it to come to pass. We have filed our processes, we are challenging the court jurisdiction, and on the merit the case cannot even stand.